Welcome back. A massive outage at Blackberry left users all over the world without any service, and now a major class action lawsuit against the company. But is there actually a case here? Joining us, our trial attorney, Chip Merlin. He defends the makers of Blackberry. On the other side, business litigation attorney Seth Barensweet. Good morning to both of you.
Morning.
Good morning.
Chip, is this a frivolous lawsuit? Does it have a chance?
Oh, it's not a frivolous lawsuit, but for $1.25, nobody's going to get rich who's a class action member. Typically, outage cases against utilities are very difficult to bring, and in this particular case, it's a loss of use. In other words, you still could use your Blackberry during this particular time. The difficult part of these types of class action lawsuits is that the consumers don't have contracts with Blackberry. They've got them with their service provider, and so their beef and their class action lawsuit ought to be first against their service provider, and there's limitations within those contracts, so they can't do it. Whether or not this lawsuit's ever going to get $1.25 back for any consumer is highly unlikely. It's going to be pennies on the dollar, I bet, if we come back a year or two from now just to find out what the final result's going to be.
Seth, I'm wondering about this because when it first happened, I thought, all right, what if I missed a major job interview? What if I missed a major business meeting because I did not get my emails? Let's be honest, people live and die with these things. Might you not have a case for some actual real money here?
Well, you could. You could have a variety of different kinds of damages, and I respectfully disagree with the point that was just made a moment ago. We're talking about real dollars here. There are 2.5 million users in California alone that use this device. RIM makes about $3.5 million a day. These folks paid for a service. They relied upon the service. They didn't get it. So when you look at the case overall, and this is why class action lawsuits make sense in certain limited circumstances, you're talking about real dollars here. RIM came back and they said, we'll provide you $100 worth of free apps. I have a lot of respect for the company, but I tell you what, I don't think that people want to download a video game. They want to be able to rely on their device to make stock trades, make those appointments that you're talking about, and rely upon important communications. A lot of these people are business owners, and when that gets broken for almost a week, they do have a claim. So I think this case will move forward, and it'll be interesting to see what happens next.
What will happen, Seth?
Well, I predict that there will be a certification of the class in California. I agree with the point that some of these contracts have some certain components, such as arbitration clauses, that might make it difficult. But the Supreme Court's made it clear that if it's too onerous, then they don't even follow that and they apply the class. So, look, they paid for the service. They didn't get the service. It was interrupted. It affected millions of people. I think that they have a claim.
Does it get shut down, Chip?
I don't think it'll get shut down. There'll probably be a settlement. I mean, I bring class actions. I believe in class actions. I don't believe in this class action because the attorneys aren't going to get much money back for anybody. The truth of the matter, RIM is lost. They have people just like myself who've switched over from one phone to another because they gave poor service at the time. And that's what consumers typically do if you get poor service anywhere. They don't go around suing for $1.25.
All right, no statement yet.
But they don't lose service for a week.
No statement yet from Research in Motion. I'm sure one's coming in the days ahead. Chip, Seth, thank you both for being here this morning. Appreciate it.